Hello, my name is Aditya Putranto and I am the Associate Technical Advisor at Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will talk about how to fine-tuning access point on Ruckus Unleashed. This is needed when we implement more than one access point and there is so many clients connected to the access point. And now let's just go to the Ruckus Unleashed page. Okay, and this is the Ruckus Unleashed page. And right now we will we can edit the access point manually one by one, or we can edit in access point group. So this is the basic of fine-tuning of the access point. First of all, we need to deselect overlapping channel from the access point, and we deselect overlapping channel. So in Indonesia, there is only 3 channel that non-overlapping channel. That's 1, 6, and 11. So beside this all, we just unselect it. And then the channelization or the bandwidth from each channel in Indonesia, the regulation is 20. So we set to 20. And the channel, we can select the channel one by one from each access for each access point, and that's the best practice. And right now I will leave it on auto. And the dB power, because this is only for testing purpose, I will set it minus 9 dB. And 11 and only mode is auto. We can check, select the and only mode if we just want to 802.11 and only customer or client. And then this is for 2.4 gigahertz channel, and this is for 5 gigahertz channel, and the channelization also 20. But in Indonesia, low channel only 149, 153, 157, and 161. The TX power also only 1.1 per 8 TX power, and this is for 802.11 and AC only mode. And right now, okay, I will select an AC only, and this is I also select an only. And finish. Okay, we already configured in here. This is means the configuration we already did. Will push to all access point. Okay, that's the fine-tuning best practice from me. I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.